Hi, Oliver from Anyhoa here. In this video, we're going to speak about how to share guides inside Anyhoa. So, guides can be anything basically. If you're down in the basement with the washing machine and it throws you an error, you might be able to look up what that error means and how to fix it. So, there can be a ton of guides in housing associations, but the trick is how you store them and how you share them with the residents so they can actually use them. And that's what we're going to do now. There are two roads to take here. Either you can do it on the website if you have a website hosted on Anyhoa, or you can share it in the residence space that's internal only for your housing association. So head to the website tab if you do have a website hosted on Anyhoa. On the left hand side, you can create a new page. And I done that earlier for the purpose of this video called Resident Guides. Here, I just threw in some content around what I want the page to tell the visitor, and I also put in what available guides there are to download. These guides can be pretty long, so I would want to avoid having the guides written out on the web page, but instead add them as files, PDFs, documents. That's going to be more user friendly. So if I go to my website, you can see how the page looks. This is the content that I put in, and these are the guides that can be downloaded. If we head back to Anyone, now that's how you use the website to share your guides. Keep in mind, if you don't add a password to the website or to the page itself, everyone can go and view the guides, which might not be necessary. You can also use the document storage. Now this is for internal sharing only. Let's say I have this one and I want to create a new folder and I want to call it 05 guides. And then I'm gonna make sure that my folder here is called, let me just refresh it quickly. I want to say 06 for other. Now, if I just remove myself a little bit, I have 4 guides on my desktop that you can't see, but I'm just going to drag and drop them into the document storage. And what Anyhoa is doing now is they are reading the titles of the documents and then determining what folder should I put these documents in. So I can add all 4 in one drag and drop, and then it's going to read, okay, so this is a guide for guest parking, and it's going to throw it inside the folder to guides. This is very, very convenient if you have a large document storage that you don't need to structure everything yourself or organize it. The last determination you're going to do, or the last thought to cross your mind, is who are these guides for? Because there are some housing associations that has guides or that have guides particularly for a certain type of resident. If you're at the board, maybe there are some guides that you want to be able to see, but not the rest of the residents. And that's all determined inside permissions. You can show or you can add or determine who has access to this file, selected by roles or available to everyone. So that's how you're going to do guides inside Anyhoa. See, I just made the booking guest parking guide shared for everyone, but currently the others are still private. So yeah, that's how guides are done in Anyhoa, and thanks for watching.